Hey, it's Dustin with PaddleBoss, and in this video, I'm going to show you the #1 thing that you can do to elevate your pickleball game to the next level in the next 24 hours without even picking up a pickleball paddle or going out to the pickleball courts. Well, I've been playing pickleball for a long time, over 30 years, and competitively at a high level for the last 8 years. And I've watched the game and I've analyzed it, and what I've noticed is a lot of people, when they get into the game of pickleball at the beginner and intermediate levels, focus on their skills when they want to get better. And they find themselves hitting the ball into the net, hitting the ball long, lots of unforced errors, popping the ball up only for their opponents to slam on them. And that's because they want to get better, but they're focusing on the wrong thing up front. Most of the time, people focus on their skills at the beginning. That's going to be your serves, returns, drop shots, dinks, volleys, reset shots, lobs. There's lots of shots in the game of pickleball that you want to get better at. But here's the thing, if you want to get better at pickleball quickly, you shouldn't be focusing on your skills. Definitely focus on your skills. I want you to get better at your serves and returns, but these skills are going to take you months, years, and actually a lifetime to continually get better. And that's part of what makes pickleball fun. You can always get better at it. But this is the long game. If you want to get better and have faster hands or hit your drop shots at a higher percentage, you're going to have to drill, you're going to have to practice, and like I said, it's going to take you months or even years to be able to get to the spot where you're hitting these shots at an 80% higher or higher rate and getting to that spot of being able to be a 4-0 level or a 5-0 skilled player. But if you're a beginner or intermediate player and you want to get better today, there's one thing that you can focus on, and that is your Pickleball Smarts. You see, there is a correct way to play the game of pickleball. There's a smart way to play pickleball. There's a way that works with the angles and that works with high percentage shots so that you can actually have the same skills that you have right now and get to the next level in your pickleball game just because you know the proper way to play the game of pickleball. Pickleball is a pretty simple game. It's a small court, usually played in doubles, so you don't have to cover a lot of ground, and that's why it's so popular, because it makes it a lot of fun. There's a lot of strategy behind the game. But most people don't know that strategy, they just focus on the skills. And that's why my son and I created the Pickleball Playbook. Inside the Pickleball Playbook are 30 different plays of the most common situations in the game of pickleball. Each play comes with a description of what the play is. It'll have a diagram of how to execute that play. And then at the top right, there's a QR code that you can scan with your smartphone or tablet. A video will pop up and it'll explain how to execute that play so that you can have a strategic advantage over your opponents the next time you get on the court. The Pickleball Playbook you can get by clicking the link down in the description. That'll take you to a checkout page where you can enroll and get the Pickleball Playbook. We'll send it out to you next day if you order it during the week. If you are on the weekend, we'll ship it out on Monday. But the cool thing is we're going to give you instant access when you sign up for it via your email, so you'll have access to all those videos instantly. Not only are we going to give you instant access to the videos in the Pickleball Playbook so you can improve your pickleball play in the next 24 hours, we're also going to give you 2 resources for free, a total value of $400 when you use the link below. The first one is called the Pickleball Private Lesson. I do private lessons. One of my students, John, allowed me to take the film crew out. We did a 4-hour lesson. We recorded everything, and you're going to learn how to hit all of these shots with more accuracy so you can actually improve the skills side of your game as well. In addition, we're going to throw in our course called the Gold Medal Drills. If you want to get better at these, you're going to have to drill. You're going to have to practice them. And so we're going to show you Xavier and my favorite drills to be able to perfect these shots so that you can become better over time in your game of pickleball. Like I said, both of these we offer on our website for $197 each, but we're going to give them to you for free when you use the link down in the description to get the Pickleball Playbook. So if you'd like to get the Pickleball Playbook, go ahead and click that link below. It'll take you to a checkout page. You can order it. We'll ship it out to you. You'll get instant access to this, the private lesson, and the gold medal drills. If you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. But I hope that you'll pick up a copy of the Pickleball Playbook so that you can get better and take your game to the next level the next time that you step on the court.